Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications to see all of my future videos. Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a very cute design using the Bellavina gel polish and nail lacquer set. I am using the color 597, which is Spring Bouquet. The one on the left is the nail lacquer and the one on the right is the gel polish. It does say which is which on the back of the bottles, but if you get confused, the gel polish has to be in an opaque bottle so that the sun does not cure your gel polish in the bottle. Here I'm just showing you a close-up of the nail lacquer. And here is a close-up of the gel polish. I highly recommend these products. The consistency is amazing and the color is beautiful. For this tutorial, I am wearing full cover nail tips, but the nail prep is the same if you do this on your natural nail. Take the professional grade cuticle pusher and push back your cuticles. Then take a small buffer and buff the surface of your nails. After buffing your nails, take a lint-free wipe with some alcohol and remove all of the dust. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using a fine nail art brush, the clear base dip powder, the Bellavina No Wipe Gel Top Coat, and of course the nail lacquer and gel polish. A pro tip when applying any polish to your nails: roll the bottle in between your hands instead of shaking it. This avoids getting air bubbles into your polish and creating an uneven application. I'm going to start this manicure by applying the nail lacquer to my nails. When picking up the brush from the bottle, wipe one side off with the edge of the bottle. This will prevent you from having too much polish on your brush. When applying your nail lacquer, try to apply as few strokes over your nail as you can. This will prevent you from having streaky nails. You also want to make sure to cap the edge of your nails with the lacquer. This will prevent your color from chipping. I'm going to repeat the same step on all of my other nails. If you get any lacquer on your skin, you want to take a small brush and acetone or nail polish remover and remove it from your skin. This will give you a very clean and professional manicure. You can do this step at the end of your manicure. I personally find that it's a lot easier to remove while the polish is still wet. This nail lacquer is very nice because it does dry quickly. After the nails are fully dry, I'm going to be adding a second layer of the lacquer. This nail lacquer does have very good coverage, but I always like to add 2 layers just to make sure that I have the right opacity for my nails. After my nails are completely dry, I'm going to take the No Wipe Gel Top Coat and I'm going to be applying a thin layer to all of my nails. If you're looking for a really good gel top coat, I highly recommend this one. it is by far my favorite gel top coat that I've tried. The consistency is amazing and it gives you a very good shine. A pro tip for applying gel polish or gel top coat to your nails is to flip your hand over for a few seconds before curing your nails. This allows the gel to self-level and gives you a very smooth surface. I'm then going to cure under my UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to take the gel polish and I'm going to add a little bit onto a piece of paper. You can use anything you like for this. This will allow me to easily pick up the gel polish with my nail art brush. I'm also going to open my clear dip powder and have this ready for me to use. I'm also going to use the professional grade cuticle pusher to pour the dip powder over my nails. I'm going to pick up a little bit of the gel polish onto my brush and I'm going to start painting my design on my nail. I am doing roses for this hidden design. You don't have to do roses, you can do any design that you can come up with. For the roses, I'm just drawing a little circle shape where the center of the rose is. Then I'm adding small lines going around the center. These are the rose petals. You can add as few or as many rose petals as you would like. I'm going to be adding 3 roses going up the side of my nail. Then before I cure my nail under the UV LED lamp, I am going to take the cuticle pusher and pour over the clear dip powder onto the wet gel. You don't want to try to remove too much dip powder before curing, so I just tilt my nail over. I'm going to do a full cure under my UV LED lamp. Then you can take the fluffy nail brush and dust away the excess dip powder. This will reveal your hidden design. I'm going to be doing the same design for all of my other nails. For this nail design, you do not need to add any top coat to your nails. After all of my nails are fully cured, I'm going to be adding some cuticle oil. And here are the nails. I hope you guys love this tutorial. Let me know what you think down in the comments or if you plan to try this out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!